Thank you for choosing Grand Skills as your #1 online free professional course creator. For your notice, I want you to know that the instructor of this course has put in so much effort, time, and money just to create this content for you to learn all for free. So please do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all so you will be the first to get our video tutorials we'll be posting at all time. Also give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to help us improve more. Thank you. Hello, you're welcome back to the class, and in this tutorial we are going to look on character 7. On character 7, understanding the fish market. Let's get on to the class immediately. Understanding the fish market. Marketing is the most important after management and medication. Once you fail in targeting the necessary audience, your profit suffers. This is really true. Once you fail in targeting the necessary audience, your profit suffers. Reason because when your fish matures in a particular month and date and you couldn't meet up selling them off, the following weeks you continue to feed them the same quantity of feed they have been consuming before. By so doing, you end up investing your profit in feeding them. The local marketers still buys them same amount they were supposed to buy previous week or even weeks ago. After 8 months, the fishes do not grow rapidly as they do before. They look smaller but has more weight. The market always needs bigger fishes. The local market fears to buy when it weighs higher than the local market size. So what do? The solutions for this: if you have more stocking space, select out 200 pieces from them and keep for broodstock. You can sell them in the next 9 months and make triple profit. That's selling as broodstock. Make your market surveillance 2 weeks to harvest. Go to the market, always find the market, find the buyers, move around, go to markets, go to eateries, fast foods, hotels, and make your market surveillance. 2 months to harvest period. You can also contract marketers who will go around and gather the local markets and then pay them by commission. Write proposal to fast foods, restaurants, companies, caterers, and hotels. Propose to be one amongst their suppliers. Get clean available in your farm for smoking your fishes. Grade the fishes and dry the ones from 500 grams to 700 grams. That's if you wish to do the melange size, if you want to grade your fish. Supply smoked fishes to supermarkets, exportation, and other markets mentioned above. Always make sure you are harvesting your fishes according to the market request in your area. Now, this is the most important area of this solution. Like I said, make your market surveillance 2 months to harvest. Always make sure you are harvesting your fishes. Now, in some areas, the market that moves there are only the drying size or the smoked size. And then you wish to be raising a table size, which is from 1 kilogram and above. You will not see the market to sell. They will always be be making be making gain for you to buy. But if you have what they need, what the market needs, if they are selling, if what is moving in your area is a smoked size, so you raise smoked size and sell. If what is selling in your area is the 1 kilogram size, you raise the 1 kilogram size and sell. If it is 3 kilogram, you raise to 3 kilogram and sell. So always make sure you make your market surveillance to know what is moving in your area before you decide on what size of fish to raise. So that is the most important part of this. And this is the solution to understanding the fish market. And those are the solutions to all these problems you see here. Okay. So thank you for staying on the class. And in our next tutorial, we're going to talk about a very much vital topic. Thank you very much.